Chabada, chabada, say chabada, 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 say chabada. The Cattanooga Cats don't ever purr. They know how, but not what for. The Cattanooga Cats don't go meow. Wouldn't try if they knew how. Doing that thing, chabada, chabada. Doing that thing, chabada, chabada. Doing that thing, chabada, chabada. The Cattanooga Cats are doing that thing.
The Cattanooga Cat Show, featuring Around the World in 79 Days. It's the Wolf, Motor Mouse, Auto Cat, and the Cattanooga Cats.
The Cattanooga Cats are doing their thing. Jabba, jabba, say jabba, jabba.
Go, Cats, go!
It's the Cattanooga Cats!
That old cutout cardboard trick was twitching, Kitty Joe.
Groovy country. Chessie and her fan club have only had us trapped here for 12 hours.
Like I'm zonked from being hounded. But now at least the hound is grounded.
You dummies! These cats are dummies!
Zippin' zinglings! Let's split while the splitting's good!
Yeah!
We blew it again! But as your president of the Cats fan club, I promise they won't get past me a second time. Would you believe the third time?
Like, move out, cats! Here she comes!
And here we go! Yahoo, fellas! We did the thing!
We got away from Chessie.
Now to sleep since she's out of our hair. 'Cause awake around Chessie's like a nutty nightmare.
Thought you'd get away, huh? Well, I'm taking you in.
To the cooler?
Coolers are uncool, man. I'm taking you to the Cattanooga Cats fan club.
Chessie! Dingling, dinglings, Chessie. I sure have to hand it to you.
A souvenir?
Yeah!
Creamed again.
Wavy, chitlin' gravy. A deer's crossing at a deer crossing.
Crossing? He done stopped.
Hang loose, guys. I'll make it move. 'Cause animals dig old groovy groove. Okay, dear, on your way. You just can't block the road all day. That's not nice. You crossed twice.
That's called a double cross.
Hey, cats, I'm in a mess. This dear sweet deer is dear sweet Chess.
We're coming, Groove!
Unhoof him, Chessie.
That costume isn't fooling us.
Jingling, jinglings. Let's split.
Those darling dodos, they left me their footprints to follow.
So long, Chessie. The laugh's on you.
'Cause your autograph hounding's through.
Don't bet your brownie buttons on it.
Guess we gave Chessie the old snow job.
That was some disappearing act. Like she just turned into snow.
It's no use, cats. Give up and sign.
We're not falling for that. You're not in there trick again, Chessie. Yeah! Cool it like Chessie!
Hey, Scoot! Scoot! Golly! There's a tree!
Okay, cats, sidestep.
Not those autographs.
Hey, Dig, let's hide inside that cabin while Chessie's getting an autograph from that pile of snow.
She'll never find us here. Who is it?
Package for the Cattanooga Cats.
Play it cool. It might be a trick.
Chessie couldn't be inside. There's just no room for her to hide.
Groove, wake up. You were having a nightmare.
Are you sure that's really the deal? 'Cause man, oh man, that sure seemed real.
Come on outside.
That's not the police. It's just like my nightmare was. That guy's Chessie, so away I buzz.
We'll be glad to play at your annual policeman's ball, officer.
But ding-a-ling-ding-a-lings! We gotta catch that ding-a-ling groove first!
I hate to leave the cats in a mess, but I'd flip my gourd if I had to face Chess.
Like groove, baby. You're dreaming.